Gardening is a wonderful hobby that allows us to connect with nature and create beautiful outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these 10 gardening hacks will surely blow your mind and revolutionize the way you approach gardening. 1. Epsom salt for lush plants. Add a tablespoon of Epsom salt to your watering can and give your plants a magnesium boost. This natural mineral can enhance chlorophyll production, resulting in healthier and more vibrant foliage. 2. Coffee grounds as fertilizer. Instead of tossing your used coffee grounds, sprinkle them around acid-loving plants like azaleas, rhododendrons, and blueberries. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen and organic matter, providing a nutrient boost in the soil. 3. Eggshells for pest control. Crushed eggshells act as a natural deterrent for slugs, snails, and other garden pests. Simply scatter the crushed shells around your vulnerable plants to create a barrier that pests will avoid. 4. Vinegar weed killer. Instead of using chemical weed killers, try a natural alternative using household vinegar. Fill a spray bottle with distilled white vinegar and spray it directly on weeds. The acetic acid in vinegar helps kill weeds without harming the environment. 5. DIY seed tape. Make your own seed tape using toilet paper or paper towels. Mix a paste of flour and water, then dab small amounts onto the paper at regular intervals. Place your seeds on the paste. Let it dry, and then plant the entire strip in the soil. This ensures proper spacing and reduces seed wastage. 6. Diapers for moisture retention. Line the bottom of your large potted plants or hanging baskets with a clean diaper before adding soil. The absorbent material will retain moisture, keeping your plants hydrated for longer periods and reducing the frequency of watering. 7. Plastic forks for critter protection. If you're having trouble with animals digging up your garden, insert plastic forks into the ground around your plants. The forks act as a barrier, preventing animals like squirrels and cats from digging and damaging your plants. 8. Citrus peel seed starters. Instead of using traditional seed starting pots, repurpose citrus peels as biodegradable planters. Fill half an orange or lemon peel with soil, plant the seed, and place the peel in a warm and sunny location. The peel provides nutrients as it decomposes, and you can transplant the whole peel into the ground once the seedling is ready. 9. Plastic bottles as watering devices. Convert plastic soda bottles into self-watering devices for your plants. Fill a bottle with water and make a small hole in the cap, and bury the bottle upside down in the soil near your plants. This creates a slow-release watering system, ensuring consistent moisture for your plants. 10. Companion planting for pest control. Utilize companion planting techniques to naturally deter pests and improve plant health. For example, plant marigolds near tomatoes to repel aphids, or grow basil alongside peppers to ward off pests like whiteflies. Research different companion plant combinations to find the best matches for your garden.